Today our topic is silt content test of sand. After natural sand arrives in a site, we have to find how much percentage of silt is present in the given sample of sand. If silt content is more, there are risks of cracks in plaster or in any other thing we are using that sand. So to avoid cracks and other defects, we have to find out silt content of sand after arrival of sand on a site. So for finding out silt content, there's a standard procedure. First, we have to take a measuring cylinder and make a solution of salt and water. 1% salt water solution is to be made. If we take 500 ml water, we will mix 500 into 1%, that is 5 grams, that is 5 grams of salt in it. We have to take two containers, two measuring cylinders. Two measuring cylinders are kept. In one measuring cylinder we have to take make this solution of salt and water. Then pour the salt water solution in other cylinder up to 50 ml mark. This is second cylinder. In first cylinder we have made salt water solution. In second cylinder we have to put that salt water solution up to 50 ml mark. Then second step is put the sand sample into the cylinder until it reaches 100 ml mark. We have already put the salt water solution up to 50 ml. Then put sand in it for testing. We have to put sand until the mixture reaches 100 ml. Then third step is pour more salt water solution until the mixture reaches 150 ml mark. Pour more salt water solution up to 150 ml mark. Now shake the cylinder vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes. While shaking, cover the top of the cylinder with your palm. Place the cylinder on a flat level surface and leave it undisturbed for 3 hours. The final silt will form a distinct layer on top of the heavier sand. Silt and sand will separate after 3 hours. So as shown in this diagram, bottom part is sand and upper part is silt, which gets separated due to salt water solution we have poured into it. Then measure the volume of the sand and the silt layer. Next step is volume of sand and silt layer measurement. For example, V1 is volume of silt, that is 7 ml. V2 is volume of sand, that is 100 ml. For example, this is 7 ml volume of silt and this is 100 ml. So then we get silt content in percentage. Formula is V1 by V2 into 100. V1 is 7 ml, V2 is 100 ml into 100. We get 7%. Silt content in sand should be less than or equal to 8%. It is a standard percentage, that is 8%. Our sample has silt content of 7%. Therefore, it is pass and can be used in any purpose. Thank you.